Well, guys, I forgot to mention one thing, or noma ngikhohlwe ukusho into eyodwa, as I was talking about some elements. I said our bodies are made up of four elements: water, fire, earth, and sun. So those elements work hand in hand when it comes to relationship. That is why you will find out that abantu which are spiritual basafarisha in terms of relationship. The reason why you date a person of which ozoba ne-element engamesh neyakho. So to give you a short advice, if you are a fire element, make sure you date with someone who is an air element because your relationship will become stable. And also, if you are a water element, ensure that you are dating with someone who is an earth element. Your relationship will become stable. This is the reason why spiritual people find it difficult to get into relationships and babona bephuma bengena kuma-relationship. This is the main reason, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Until the next episode or until the next time, all the best.